Everyone, in today's video we will see how to cancel the GTA 6 pre-order on Xbox Series SX. Request refund from Microsoft Store. So first, how to cancel the GTA 6 pre-order on Xbox Series SX. To cancel your Grand Theft Auto 6 digital pre-order on the Xbox Series, you must log into the Microsoft account through a web browser and cancel it from your order history page. Microsoft does not process pre-order cancellation directly through the native Xbox console dashboard interference. The method 1, before you are billed more than 10 days before launch. Microsoft typically charge your linked payment method roughly 10 days before the game officially unlock. If you cancel before this window, you will not be charged. So open a web browser on your PC or phone or PC or via the Edge browser app on your Xbox. Then navigate directly to the Microsoft Store order history page. Then sign in using the exact Microsoft Xbox account credential used to pre-order GTA 6. Now you can locate the GTA 6 pre-order entry from the item list and click the cancel item button right next to the game listing. Then check the confirmation checkbox and click cancel item again to confirm. Now check your email inbox for a automated cancellation receipt from Microsoft. Now within the 10 days of launch or the post launch, if Microsoft has already charged your card or if the game has already unlocked, the cancel item button will disappear. You must instead submit a formal refund request. So go to the official Xbox digital game refund portal, sign in to your Xbox network account, review your eligible purchase under the request a refund tab. Now select the checkbox next to GTA 6. Then click request a refund and choose your reason for return. Now accidentally purchased or changed mind. So then you can submit the form. Decisions are typically finalized and emailed to you within the 72 hours. Goodbye and thanks for watching.